Over the weekend, I set up this bounce house for my kids and they had so much fun with it. It is a water bounce house. You can see the water squirting out of these nozzles over here, and it has a slide. It has kind of a wall to climb up, kind of a basketball hoop. The water you can spray each other with, cause some meltdowns if you want to do that. It does come with some stakes and then some tubing that you can hook up to a water hose. And then you just lay everything out. You hook up the yellow end to a fan, you blow it up. It only took about a couple minutes to blow up, so it was really easy to set up. And then the tubing, you can see there's some white Velcro strips there that you can feed the tubing through. And then you can just move that through for the nozzles or whatever. But the tubing itself was nice and secure, and then it sprays down onto the slide to make it slick so you can slide down. The water coming out was a bit cold, but on a nice hot day, it feels really good. My kids ended up playing on this for nearly 3 hours. That's how much fun they had. It was great for our whole family. We just spent an afternoon outside using this. You can see our lawn's not completely flat, so the water kind of pooled up on one end, but that ended up working great. So there was an area that was a little bit dry for the kids to play in. And it was just a fun. Even my 1-year-old had the time of his life. He really liked playing in the water. Overall, I'm really happy with this bounce house. Now, this was sent to us for free, so we could do this review. I've used several different bounce houses. I like this one because the fan doesn't take a lot of power. You can see I'm powering it with a portable power station, so I didn't need to run any extension cords. Overall, the construction of this was really nice. My kids had so much fun. For me, it was a bit of work to set up and take down. The setup probably took about 20 minutes. Taking down, getting everything dry, sweeping it up, and folding it together, that probably took closer to about 40 minutes just to get everything dry and cleaned up. But overall, it was worth it for my kids to have such a fun time with this. They really love this bounce house.